A pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. We're talking about contingency theory. So, what is contingency theory? Contingency theory is also known as situational theory. Asserts that there is no one best way to lead an organization, team, or make decisions. Instead, the most effective course of action is contingent upon the current internal and external circumstances. Contingency theory suggests that leadership effectiveness depends on matching leadership behaviors to the unique demands of each situation. So, therefore, that contingency theory, also known as Fiedler's contingency model, states that there is no one best style of leadership. Rather, the most effective leadership style for any given situation is the one that aligns with the situation and hand. So, contingency theory is not about a single best way on how to handle the situation, but it is about the flexibility of the leadership to make a decision that is more effective that kind of problem. So here the core concepts and assumptions: the adaptability, the situational favorableness, no single ideals approach, variables, contingency theory. So adaptability is critical, and a leader's effectiveness is influenced by the leadership style and the specific conditions they face. The situational favorableness: the favorability of a situation depends on the leader's influence and power, which determined by leader-member relations, task structures, and position power. The no single ideal approach: contingency models operate on the assumption that circumstances vary, and therefore there is no single ideal approach to leadership. Variables contingency theory considers how situational factors can affect the relationship between dependent and independent variables in organizational behavior. So here the key considerations: leader-member relations, task structures, position power. The degree leader-member relations is the degree to which the team trusts and respect the leader. Higher trust leads to a more favorable situations. So task structure: the clarity and the structure of tasks. Clear, well-defined tasks create a more favorable situation. Position power: the level of authority a leader has to reward or punish. So here's the Fiedler's contingency model. Fiedler's contingency model: Fred Fiedler is credited with developing the contingency theory of leadership effectiveness. His model suggests that leadership effectiveness is a product of two factors: the task motivation or relationship motivation and the circumstances. A tool is used in this model is the least prepared coworker (LPC) scale, which measures a manager's motivation. In the LPC scale, managers think of the person they least enjoy working with and rate them on 8-point scale. So bali the LPC scale bali rate ang leader or the manager sa mamili sila og coworker nga ilang least preferred coworker. So high LPC score leaders with high LPC scores Leaders with high LPC scores are more relationship motivated and are most effective in intermediate situations, whereas low LPC score leaders are more task motivated and are effective in very favorable and unfavorable situations. So that's all. Thank you.